Hello children, today I am going to revise History Chapter 1 How, When and Where. So, history is associated with the dates. So, historians were fascinated with the dates. So many of us feel that history is a boring subject because it's all about memorizing the dates. So, history is about changes that occur over the time. So, it used to compare past and present. We talk of before and after, when it happened, where it happened. That is the past and present. So, when we crossing tea shop, question arises in our mind: when tea introduced in our country, when railway system built in our country. So, history is answering these questions in with date. Robert Clive, Governor General, he was asked Renal to produce a map of Hindustan. So Renal was a surveyor, he was supporting the Britisher, and map was prepared for starting the process of domination of our country. So Brahmanas were offering an ancient text to Britannia. See this picture, Brahmanas offering a text to Britannia, that is a British power, symbol of British power. History is associated with the string of dates. So this association has a reason. If, for example, historian wrote about the year a king was crowned, the year he married, year he had a child, year he fought particular war, the year he died, the year he defeated. So each and every event specified the dates. So dates can be determined and in history. So there is also a debate about dates continue to be important. So which date? So the date we select, the date around which we compose the story of the past. So the history is written by the British historian in India. They specify the importance of British people. So each and every Governor General was important. Their activities, policies, achievements were also recorded. So these things are written in the history books separately. So British was given important for each and everything that should be recorded properly. Our historians are also classified Indian history into ancient, medieval, modern. So this division also had problems. So the periodization is borrowed from the West, where the modern period was associated with the growth of all forces, modernity, science, reason, democracy, liberty, and equality. But the medieval was used to describe a society where the features of modern society did not exist. So, likewise, our historians divided Indian history. So, but the British rule people did not have equality, freedom, or liberty, or nor was the period one of economic growth and progress. So, this period was called as a colonial. So, the British came to India and conquer our country, establish their rule. and also subjugating local Nawabs and Rajas. So they treated local Nawabs and Rajas as a puppet ruler. So they established the control over economy and society, collected revenue and meet all their expenses, bought the goods what they wanted to their places at low prices, and crops what they needed produced and exported. So another important source is the official records of British administration. British believed that writing was more important. Every instruction, plan, policy, decision, agreement clearly written up. So the documents are also preserved in administrative institution, Tahsildar office, collectorate, commissioner office, and law courts. So all had their record rooms, and specialized institutions, archives and museums were also established to preserve important documents. So in the early of 19th century, the documents were also copied by beautiful handwriting. The art of handwriting is called calligraphy. So by calligraphers they have copied. The next one is what official records do not tell. So British were also interested and what they wished to preserve for posterity. So these records do not always help us to understand what other people in country felt. So their atrocities were also increased. The accounts of pilgrims and travelers, autobiographies of important personality, popular booklets sold in local bazaar, difficult to know the lives of tribal peasant, workers and poor on the street. So because those who are literate, they were able to do these things. They were able to publish their ideas, poets and novelists to express their feelings. So others were not aware of this. Even there was no history about tribals, peasants and workers, the poor on the street. So it is very difficult to know their lives. It's a very more difficult task. So their atrocities of British is very crucial. So important of this chapter is a date, survey, census and documentation of Britishers, colonization. These are all important concepts in this chapter. Thank you, children.